Hello foodies, it's me again. Today we're cooking up a dish that's all easy to make and impossible to resist. Delicious teriyaki chicken. To start, let's gather the essentials, screenshot the ingredients on screen. Next, we're going to mix our ingredients. We have the soy sauce, sesame oil, apple cider vinegar, ground ginger and garlic, red pepper flakes, and sugar. Next, we'll give everything a good mix to ensure it's evenly coated. At this point, if you have time, cover and marinate for 30 minutes to infuse the flavor. Next, we're gonna move it to a baking tray. Once we have everything on the tray, we'll then preheat our oven to 375 degrees. I'll set it for 20 minutes. We'll let this chicken bake for 10-15 minutes and then flip it halfway and let it bake for another 10 minutes. Or air fry it if that's an option for you. Once the 20 minutes are over, we remove the chicken and sprinkle. We're gonna flip it first and then sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Just like that. We're just gonna ensure we sprinkle cover everywhere. Once that's done, we're going to return the chicken to the oven for a final touch and have it bake for another 10 minutes. And there you go. That's our chicken, all nice and brown, crispy, very tender and delicious, absolutely delicious. Finally, it's time to plate up. Carefully dish the chicken to a plate and garnish with sesame seeds, more sesame seeds if you wish. Look at that, it's very tender and juicy. If you have some spring onions, green onions, feel free to sprinkle some on top. And yeah, isn't that beautiful? Please, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more